Welcome to JIC. This is the instructions for SIM registration. Step 1. Buy SIM card and the needed amount of the loading cards at the store. You are now ready to register. Step 2. Disattach the SIM from the card. It should be the designated size for your phone. Do not throw the card yet. Step 3. Remove your phone's SIM tray. Place the SIM and insert. Check if the SIM is read by the phone. Step 4. Go to Smart SIM card registration website for the registration. Step 5. You can now enter your number written on the card and receive the one-time password. Once you got the one-time password, enter and check for the verification. Step 6. Fill up the needed information and upload your valid ID. Step 7. Proceed to selfie verification. And here, don't forget to check the summary of your information. Step 8. After you submitted, wait for your SIM to be activated. You will receive an email. Step 9. Go to the phone keypad and enter 1510 plus PIN numbers written on the loading card. Here, press call and wait for it to be loaded. You can confirm receiving the load through messages. Step 10. Once loaded, go again to the keypad. Enter *123 sharp and follow the numbers indicated on the screen depending on your purchase of a plan. Check your message from Smart regarding your purchase. Your SIM is now registered and loaded. Enjoy!